everybody, welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be playing with makeup, and I pulled everything that I've got from a Boxycharm, and so I decided that would be really fun. But Boxycharm doesn't send foundation, so I just put on my Urban Decay Naked Skin foundation, and I have a Flower Beauty Light Illusion concealer on, and I just have some brow gel in. But for right now I'm going to start off with my Pretty Vulgar Loose Setting Powder and just apply that with a big fluffy brush. Foundation is a very light layer and it doesn't really need to be set, but I don't want to be extra shiny. And also for the concealer. Okay. This setting powder comes with a really cute puff. That's super cute. Okay. So the things that I have in here is everything that I know is from Boxycharm, or at least I think I know. I am just going to start with the eyeshadows that I have. I pulled 4 different eyeshadow palettes that I know that are from Boxycharm, and I have the Alamar palette. I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 2 palette. I have the ColourPop Element of Surprise, which I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think I'm probably going to use the Pure Festival, which is pretty new to that was received in Boxycharm, and then maybe just the Tarte palette, just because I haven't played with these ones very much. And just for your information, everything in this video will be cruelty free. So I'm going to take the color Epic that's right here and start with that. This is kind of an orange shade. Very orange. And I'm going to really build this up here in the crease. And I did not bake my brow this time. If you are new to my videos or anything like that, normally bake my brow because I don't like to blend things too high, but I'm going to try something new today and put this good on the inner corner. Real good here. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Okay, so I'm really just blowing that out, and I'm kind of loving the way that it's looking, but just for a little bit of depth, which I probably might regret this, I kind of still want to see what's going to happen. I'm going to go into the Tarte palette here, and I'm going to take the color Marina right here and just get some on a little blending brush. Focus that color here closest to the lash line and blend it upward. This color is not coming off. Very pigmented, which might be good and beneficial for me in this situation. It's almost just slightly. Alright, so I'm just kind of blowing it out a little bit and flaring it. Just blending it a little bit, changing that tone of that orange just a bit. So cleaning my brush off on my towel, and now I'm just blending everything together with that same brush because it's a really good blending brush. This is a Coastal Scent BR25. I'm just feeling like I really do want a light color on the lid, just a nice wash of color. But first I'm going to take the color Free Spirit and start to blend that on the outer, like bringing it subtly in. I've done that with the Free Spirit shade. Now I'm going to take this shade from the Tarte palette, and it's called Pearl, just right here. And this color's got some color to it. And pulling this from the inner corner. That looks actually pretty great. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is a Morphe G14 brush. And I'm going to take this color from Tarte. It's called Conch. It's just here at the top. Just taking this brush and putting it on the brow bone. So I think we're done for now with the eye, with the top of the eye. I like it because it's like color, but then like subtle, almost like a cut crease, but not crazy. You know what I mean, maybe, sorta, kinda. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Argente Blue eyeliner in charcoal and line my lash line with this. So here is the liner that I used. So there's that. So now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my mascara, which seems to have been misplaced. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm like super pale right now. Gorgeous. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And that's that. So I will be right back. Displaying mascara on camera. Awkward. Alright, so I think I have to play with this mascara more or something, let it dry out a bit, but I do not think that it's my most favorite mascara. It didn't really do very much volumizing. There is some length, but I just feel like in some cases my lashes kind of disappear. Sorry, my dog hit the camera. He's jumpy. Well, maybe, I don't know. It's not my most favorite. I liked the other Wonder Beauty mascara. I just realized that I pulled this. This is the Ciate Eye Luster Cream Shadow. And I kind of want to apply a little bit here on the inner corner. You know, because I'm fancy like that. Should have grabbed a brush first, Rachel. Great. And then I'm gonna pull it through. And that, my friends, is luster. Whoa, that looks pretty. I love that cream shadow. That is really, really pretty. I love it. Just thought I'd throw it out there that I really love that. Okay, and then the next thing that I have is Starlooks Ultra Glam Longwear eye pencil, and I almost gave this away, but I'm glad I didn't because it's kind of like a minty, like shimmery green. And maybe I want to apply this on my lower lash line. Maybe. Nope, it's kind of dried out. Look at that. I haven't had it for very long. Let's roll it back up. Nope, it's not working. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with the Pure palette and just blend something on my lower lash line and call it a day. Call it a day. I think I'm just going to take this sunset color and blend that through. Just a little bit. Okay, so it seems to me that I have a little bit of fallout, but that's okay because we can move on from that. So for my face products, I obviously am going to pull out my Tarte Pro Glow Palette, and I am just going to do a little bit of bronzing with this shade right here. It does not have a name because it's glorious. Just a little bit of bronzing because it is kind of a reddish tone. You can kind of see the red tone that's in it. And apply this higher on the backs of my cheeks and blend it through. Not exactly in the place where you would contour, just higher and then blend it out. If you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna zoom back out for my face. Okay, this is actually giving us a little bit more color because I was quite ghostly. I need to get a darker shade of foundation now that it's summertime. That is just my problem though. Okay, now even though this palette has blush and highlighter, I did pull different things so that I could be a little bit more adventurous and creative. So I have the Alamar blush palette. Very, very gorgeous. And I'm going to take this shade here in the center. And it's called Pariso. You know, I don't know. Pariso? Like my inevitable thing, every video I'm going to have something that I mispronounce, don't know how to pronounce, and physically just cannot, like that word is like foreign to me. I don't know. That's just mine. That's just me. Can't help it. That shade is super pretty though for a blush. Gots to admit. So the next thing that I'm going to take is Naked Cosmetics holographic highlighter collection, and I am going to take that on a duo fiber brush, and I am just going to take the pink shade and the golden yellowy shade and put those on my cheekbone. Mix them together. Gorgeous. Put some on the brow bone, be a no. Okay. And for lips, I'm just going to take this Alamar. Once again, we have a lot of Alamar. And I could have used like all of the Luxie brushes, but I didn't. This is just the Alamar, I could be saying that wrong too. Alamar. This is just their lip gloss, and it's the Mother of Pearl gloss. Made in Taiwan. Alright, well that is me playing with stuff that I've gotten from Boxycharm, and was super fun. I thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.